Welcome to Video Hacks, simple strategies to connect with clients, even if you've never used video before. I decided to put this three-part series together to show you the possibilities and to give you some quick wins. There's no question, video is an effective marketing tool. According to a new study by Wise Owl, 85% of businesses use video in their marketing. And get this, 88% of video marketers report video giving them a positive return on investment. I've been working with business owners for the last 6 years. Before that, I was in front of the camera full time as a TV news reporter and anchor. From my conversations with people, I know what stops them from using video: fear and uncertainty. Fear of getting on camera, fear of saying the wrong thing, fear of having the wrong equipment. I'll be addressing each of these in 3 separate video hacks. Today we tackle equipment, and my favorite video hack: find the light. I want to introduce to you one of my friends and business consultant, Linda French. How do you use video in your business right now?
Well, I'm finding, especially right now, in light of all the things that are going on, a lot of my folks are wanting to be able to sit down and spend some time on how do you use Zoom? How do you use the camera? Because they cannot see their clients currently right now.
But getting over the hump, getting over the fear of equipment, fearing that there's something better out there that you should have bought that can make your setup look better, that I think really stops a lot of people. Are you seeing that as well?
Absolutely. They're afraid of not looking professional, not coming across the screen on professional, and they are apologizing a lot. I found a lot of them are apologizing for little things that really probably don't matter.
Most people have a laptop, they have a cell phone, they have something they can prop either their laptop or their cell phone on. They place themselves in front of a window. And if they have just a little bit of that awareness where they're placing their shot, then they can level up their video very, very quickly.
The other thing that I think is really kind of fun that I've learned from you is a lot of my folks think that having your camera or your laptop on a box is not professional. Ironically, that's what most of us are doing.
Oh, I've got it right now on 2 shoe boxes.
Which is really so much fun.
Linda, how differently do you look at video now?
All right, so before I met you, well, quite frankly, I didn't do a lot of video because it was a little scary. What if I didn't look as well as I wanted to? What if all the what ifs and all the things that could go wrong, right? But then since I had no choice, like everyone else, I had no choice to do some Zoom meetings. I would set it up, but again, I was in my office because that's the normal place that I'm going to work out of. But then notice my lighting was poor. See how dark it is? Let's see, this is my light, and it is a fan light. And this is where I was having trouble.
Yeah, so the overhead lights are not good.
So this is usually, let me show you this is where I've been doing Zoom meetings.
Yeah, turn your camera so you're facing that window, either one of them.
Oh, that's better. You're right.
Yeah, it is better. You'd have to turn off that light, the yellow light.
The yellow light.
Yeah.
Right.
But so instantly, if you just find the light and turn toward it, then you have some options. Like that looks really good. If you cleared out behind you,
that's all mine.
You would not need to spend a dime on extra lighting. Sit on the couch, set up the tripod, look into the camera or laptop or whatever you're using. But then you don't really need another light. You could, of course. Light's light and you can use more and it's all good. But if you just want to go ahead and use what you have, you have it all. It's right there. That's great. Do you see the difference?
It's a huge difference. I mean, I really was kind of late. It's a huge difference. This coach, I had no idea it was that much.
We're all in the same boat. We're all in the same boat, trying to make sure that we come across the way we want to come across on camera. I just feel like these little hacks can help you just help set the scene a little more smoothly. To recap, video hack number 1 is find the light. When trying to figure out where to shoot your video, go toward a window or bright light, clear the background, and then raise your camera so you're looking up at it. This will instantly level up your video. If this was helpful, share this video with a friend or colleague. Next time, I'll give you another video hack to overcome the fear of getting on camera. That's it for video hack number 1. If this was helpful, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know that as well. You can join in the conversation in the Standout Facebook group. I'll see you for video hack number 2. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I'm Cheryl Tan.